been waiting all year. Coming to you this fall, 2019. But that's super vague, so we're giving you a date. Friday, October 25th from 7 to 9. One massive event brought to you by JMU Crew. We have two competitions, Splash and Smash! First off, Smash!
Oh wow, there we go. Look at that form. Look at those muscles rippling. Man, that man has the confidence of an eagle and the spryness of a ferret. Wow.
In all my years of sportscasting, pumpkin painting, I have never seen someone consider such a crazy move. We see Brittany painting orange on an orange pumpkin. What is this competition? This is incredible. We see her go for the kill.
And we are on with the first hit of this round. It is truly spectacular watching this man beat this pumpkin apart. The devastation is truly spectacular, just like my heart when my wife left me. Kelsey, I love you. Please come back. Anyways, wow, there we go. It looks just brutal. And I can't imagine how alone that pumpkin must feel. With no one to hold him. I'm sorry.
And our winner is Brittany Bobbing!
And he lines up the shot for the final blow, and Kasplamby! He's knocked it out of the park and finished up our round of Smash.